Hello, my name is Nayantara Das. This is my simple machine project. My point is to get this block of wood up using a pulley. This block of wood and this block of the wood are the same thing, same size, same shape. So what I could do to lift a block of wood up is just to use it with my bare hands. Or, to make it easier, we can use a pulley. So there's a pulley right here. So look, we can make it do this, go up. But it's still hard and it has a little bit of friction. So we can make it easier still. Remember these two? They're similar, they're the same blocks of wood. So what we can do is put a binder clip over here and also put a pulley over here, which makes it much easier. So if I pull it down, this block of wood goes up fast and easy. This is being faster because faster and easier because it has more support from this one and this one, so both. So that makes it way more easier than just using it with your bare hands or using just one pulley. Because remember, this is a heavy block of wood and you want to make it as easy as possible. So you can pull it up and pull it down. So voila!